This video provides a breakdown of osteoarthritis, answering the question, what does bone-on-bone actually look like? Let's get started. When a doctor says bone-on-bone, they are describing stage 4 osteoarthritis, or OA. It sounds like a simple description, but it represents a complex mechanical failure. It involves the complete erosion of protective tissues within the joint. It is not just aging, but a specific degenerative process. First, let's establish a baseline by visualizing the perfect machinery of a healthy joint. In a healthy knee, the femur and tibia never actually touch. They are separated by joint space. Articular cartilage covers the bone ends. It is white, glistening, and slicker than ice on ice, allowing for friction-free movement. Sandwiched between the bones is the meniscus, a rubbery C-shaped disc of fiber cartilage. It acts as a crucial gasket, distributing body weight evenly across the joint surface. Without it, force would be concentrated on a single point, accelerating wear. In bone-on-bone knees, this shock absorber is often torn, frayed, or completely worn away. Next, let's examine the erosion process and how wear and tear slowly changes the landscape. Damage progresses from fibrillation when cartilage begins to soften and fray, creating friction where there should be gliding, much like piling on an old sweater. This causes thinning, where the cartilage layer wears down, and deep fissures or cracks form, reaching toward the underlying bone. Potholes occur when localized areas where cartilage is missing completely, exposing bone while surrounding areas remain intact. Now, we explore the bone-on-bone reality inside a stage 4 osteoarthritic knee. Stage 4 means there is no joint space. The protective gap is gone. The femur sits directly on the tibia. Eburnation. The body polishes the exposed bone surface until it is hard and shiny, trying to reduce friction. Osteophytes, also known as spurs, is when the bone grows jagged edges at the margins in an attempt to stabilize the wobbling joint. There are several reasons why this condition happens. Alignment issues like being bow-legged place excessive mechanical pressure on just one side of the joint, accelerating wear. Trauma from past injuries such as ACL tears or meniscus removal permanently alter the joint mechanics. Chronic inflammation in the synovial fluid can chemically digest cartilage over time. Bone-on-bone is not necessarily the end of the road. Even with minimal cartilage, movement cycles fluid through the joint, reducing stiffness and pain. We cannot regrow cartilage, but we can strengthen the quadriceps and hamstrings. Strong muscles act as a scaffold, offloading pressure from the damaged joint surfaces. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We are not licensed healthcare professionals. Always consult a qualified physician before using any medical device or product. We disclaim all liability for any injury or damages resulting from the use of this information. Questions? Leave us a comment. Now that you know about stage 4 osteoarthritis knee, click on our next video to learn more tips for a successful recovery journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more recovery tips. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.